To become a part of someone's life without them asking for or wanting the involvement.
Invade. Invade. Computers are invading our lives.
Continuing for a long period of time.
Long-lasting. Long-lasting. Theirs was a long-lasting friendship.
In a decisive way.
Decisively. Decisively. We need to act decisively.
Compatible ideas or situations can exist together.
Compatible. Compatible. Such policies are not compatible with democratic government.
Often behaving in a particular way.
Inclined. Inclined.
No one seemed inclined to help.
If people are compatible, they like each other and are happy to spend time together.
Compatible. Compatible. My new job's going well, and my colleagues seem to be compatible.
To become involved in someone's private life when they do not want you to.
Invade. Invade. They were fed up with journalists invading their privacy.
Having natural artistic or technical, etc. ability.
Inclined. Inclined.
She's very curious, but not academically inclined.
Undeveloped land has no buildings on it and is not used for anything.
Undeveloped. Undeveloped. The site is still undeveloped.
To put something back in the place where it usually is.
Replace. Replace. She picked up the books and carefully replaced them on the shelf.
When a doctor says what is wrong with someone who is ill.
Diagnosis. Diagnosis. What's the diagnosis?
A thick layer of something.
Blanket. Blanket. A blanket of cloud or snow.
An injection that protects you against a disease.
Vaccination. Vaccination.
All the children are given a meningitis vaccination.
To stay somewhere too long so that people want you to leave.
Welcome. Welcome. I don't want to outstay my welcome.
To make a firm decision that you will do something.
Commit. Commit. He committed himself to helping others.
As a single object and not in pieces.
Whole. Whole. The baby bird swallowed the worm whole.
When someone feels they are not as good as other people or when something is not as good as another thing.
Inferiority. Inferiority. With these talented sisters, I always had a feeling of inferiority.
Relating to or typical of the provinces.
Provincial. Provincial.
A provincial town.